If you're watching this on or around April 1st, then this video was meant to find you. It is not a coincidence. And I hope that you listen to the end of this video because it's really going to encourage you moving forward. Because God is saying to you today that I am moving mountains for you. I am building the path ahead, and all you have to do is walk forward. So there's a sense of ease and peace coming into your life moving forward from here on out. And it's come from this solid foundation of faith that you have built for yourself. And so this allows you to keep building your faith from a place of stability. So you already know that God has you, that you're divinely favored, that you are protected, and things are only going to get better from here because if you weren't these things, good things wouldn't be happening to you. So because you've realized that God sees you, He blesses you every single day with every breath that you breathe, you're realizing that this gratitude that you have allows you to hold life and everything in it in deep reverence for God's creation. And so you know that His presence in your life is unshakable because He makes everything. He created everything. He created you and every cell in your body, every atom. So He is with you no matter what you're doing or what you're going through or the challenges that you face. So this is the foundation that you've set. And you've planted seeds beneath the ground that have also taken root. It's almost like you dug down deep and you planted these seeds and they grew into this massive web, and you've been waiting a long time to see the results of the work that you've done. Well, this is where things are going to start to grow for you. This is where things are going to progress and really take off from this platform, this foundation that you've built and this massive web structure and webbing beneath the ground where all the lessons and challenges and growth that you've done is all connected and contributes to the physical growth that's going to take place and burst forth. So just know that things are going to progress quite quickly from here, but it's not going to shake you. It's not going to activate you in a way that's going to get carried away. This is very solid energy coming in and a lot of stability. So there's restoration coming to your life. There's balance and renewal happening. And so I want you to feel good in the sense of the work that you've done recently, especially in the last year, especially as you grow your relationship with God. You no longer feel like God is outside of yourself, but comes from within. And so this changes who you are on an identity level and allows you to be solid, knowing that God is with you and in you and lives through you. So there's really nothing that you can't tackle head on, and you've made it through every single battle up until this point, and you owe it to God. And He is so happy to just keep guiding you forward and being there for you. So just know that this is a stage of stability and things are going to change quite quickly from here. The growth that's going to happen is going to develop very quickly over the next few months. And by the end of fall, life is going to look very different for you because you will have built this empire from the ground up, set on stable foundation. So if you want to claim this message, put 444 in the comments. Otherwise, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really want to hear it from you. I want you to lock in and own this and engage with this content so that you feel like it is yours, that this message was meant for you and it helps support this channel. It gets this word out there and it spreads it to others who need to hear this. So please share it as well. Otherwise, if you want to support this channel, there are some options linked in the description as well as the pinned comment, including an invitation to join the temple within, my online sanctuary where we grow closer to God together outside of religious dogma inside a sacred, safe container. So there's a free trial. I hope that you'll join me and I'll see you there. Otherwise, I love you so, so, so much. But remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.